guys, this is Sassy Shif says welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video, like always, is going to be a super special one because I've been waiting for this for the longest time now, and this one was a really much awaited one because since the time you guys saw these stories during our LA trip, you've been requesting for Jeffree Star Cosmetics reviews. So I'm officially kickstarting the Jeffree Star's review marathon, and to start off I have this very famous, and I think it's limited edition, the Love Me Not mini Velour liquid lipstick a set, and this has stunning beautiful 8 matte liquid lipsticks. And look at the packaging, it has different shades of pinks and reds, and I love the matte packaging with silver holographic effect to it. It just feels so luxurious, and I just cannot get rid of the box for some reason. I've been using the lipsticks inside, but I genuinely want to like preserve the box just for the wow factor. It feels so luxurious and grand. And once you open the box up, these are the 8 liquid lipsticks, such stunning shades of pinks and reds. And what's unique about this bundle is that it's really beautiful and great for people like me who are genuine fans of Jeffree Star's cosmetics and his collections. He has picked out all his bestsellers from his reds Velour liquid lipsticks and the pinks Velour liquid lipsticks, and he's put it together in this Love Me Not mini Velour liquid lipstick, so you get the best of both pinks and reds worlds, if that makes any sense. And out of these shades, Doll Parts is my favorite because it speaks to my soul. Those of you who know me know that I'm a sucker for all shades pinks. I am often seen wearing pinks as opposed to reds, so pinks just straight away strike the chord straight. So Doll Parts and Calabasas definitely strike a chord with me. And out of the reds, I would say the Unicorn Blood because I've worn before, tried before. The darker shades are difficult to make, but this Unicorn Blood stays for a longer duration. Also for today's shoot, I've been wearing Calabasas shade on my lips right now from 8 in the morning. Right now it is 2:15 and my shade is as is. I've not done any touch-ups, and I've been shooting outside, indoor with so many lights, and still I don't need any touch-ups. So the best part about these lipsticks is are that A, they last, and 2, the pigmentation is bomb. So I'm going to actually dive in and show you the texture swatches so that you get a real feel into how the products actually are. So as you guys can see, Calabasas is your perfect matte, dreamy, rosy red, and it can be your in-between shade for glamorous eyes or your daily wear look. Now all of these shades are completely lightweight, super pigmented, but the Doll Parts that you saw, which I am wearing right now, is slightly more creamier compared to Calabasas. Let's see how the other products are, but this is like your go-to hot pink color, and this is like just add that oomph into your entire look in a jiffy. And this is my favorite color again with Calabasas, and we all need pinks in our life, right? So if you want that ideal go-to matte, completely drying, transfer proof hot pink, then this is your go-to shade. Say hello to Watermelon Soda, which is a rich salmon toned coral shade. I really was looking forward to this shade because I don't have many corals in my liquid colors. This glides on smoothly as well, but it shows the lines on my lips a little more. I don't know if you guys can see or no, but this particular shade is highlighting each and every line on my lip, both my lower more actually, and the upper one as well, but the other shades didn't do that. So maybe, I don't know, like maybe is it just me, or I've not moisturized my lips, maybe, I don't know, but usually I don't moisturize my lips if I'm wearing a matte lippy. Okay, so move over Vampire Diaries, as I have a deepest, perfect, ideal vampy deep red shade right here, and this is called the Unicorn Blood that I have pulled out. It is last in the 8 Velour liquid lipstick set, and what I like about it the most is that, like I said at the beginning, the darker shades are hard to work at, but this shade has no streakiness. It glides on so easily. This has to be one of my favorite deep reds, and oh my god, what a bold and stunning lip color. This is Jeffree Star Fan for Life. No wonder this is one of your best selling products. So let's jump down to swatching all of these beauties so that you get a clear idea of how the product looks like, especially on an Indian skin tone. But the best part about this is that majority of the colors will suit Indian skin tones except for Watermelon Soda and Prom Night. So that's really nice. You still get like 6 colors out of 8. So that's a loot for the price. This bundle is approximately priced at rupees 4,450 on Beauty Bay, and you have to pay the custom charges of course separately, so it might come somewhere around 5.5, but I got this in the States for around 4,000 rupees. Yes, around 4,000 rupees. So that way, if someone's flying down from US, if you know someone, your friends, family, cousins. Okay guys, okay fellas, so you've seen my top 4 from the 8 mini liquid velour red and pink set. You've seen doll parts, you've seen calabasas, you've seen unicorn blood, and you've seen watermelon soda, which is a perfect coral shade. Now let's reach out to the other 4 shades that are there. Now this is Wifey, and Wifey is your ideal dark deep red, and I feel like this is like your perfect 50s red, that ideal go-to bright red, and we all need a perfect red, a brighter red and a deeper red. So unicorn is that deeper vampy red, and this one's going to be slightly on the brighter hue. Next up is this shade called Anna Nicole, and trust me, it is a brighter red. You look at it for the first time and you'll be like, this looks like orange, hold on, but this is actually red. It has orange undertones and orange hues, and that's the reason why it looks more orange. But this is a stunning shade. I've used it a couple of times in my shoot, in my other videos, but as you guys can see in the swatches, this is a stunning color and it stays put for hours and hours. I've tried and tested it. Prom Night, which is such a bright pink full of life, it is my happy color. It's called Prom Night, and it is that go-to ideal fuchsia pink. And so if you're a fan of fuchsia pinks, then you need this from Jeffree Star's Velour liquid in your life. I feel like this has been one of his top sellers, and that's the reason why it is a part of this bundle, and it is such an intense, such a vibrant shade. This is called Red Drum, and this is your again red shade, again from his best sellers collection, and this has got blue undertones to it. Now this color, I've used it once while at the fashion week, and this is such a beautiful, stunning pigmented color, and trust me, there will be no streakiness. It will be absolutely transfer proof as long as you don't eat anything extra oily, as long as you don't go cray on the makeout session. Kissing is fine, drinking water, coffee is fine. So as you guys already know, this is the mini Velour liquid lipsticks, and you still get 0.07 fluid ounce, which is around 1.93 milliliter, which is a generous amount. And also, if you see, these are not like a very thin lippies, these are slightly broader, so the product is actually good. And I bought these in Feb, right? This is September, so February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, 8 months, and I've been using this. So, and it's still there, like the products are not over, like you can see a little bit, you know, it's not like absolutely over, because I've been using this on a daily basis, and some of the colors more than others. The 4 that you saw, like unicorn blood, calabasas, a lot, doll parts. In my Missouri trip recently, all the shades that you saw me wearing in all my shoots were either calabasas or doll parts. I think I'm going to get me some bigger ones, the original Velour liquids. I need more of calabasas and doll parts. So before I wrap up this video, both Salman and me have been super lucky to meet the Jeffree Star himself in person, and we got to chat up with him during a California trip in Fresno, and I genuinely feel like he's one of the most sweetest yet the most misunderstood people here. But one thing that I've learned while following him and his journey is that it doesn't matter how many people hate you, how many people judge you, how many people look down upon you, how many people don't understand you, or how many people don't get you. As long as you believe in yourself, you have the will to keep falling down and keep getting up every single time and keep pushing yourself to do better, be better. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is believe in yourself, because it's not easy to not come from an influential background, to not have any sugar daddies around, to not have parents or friends or siblings to help you, to not have any godfather, and yet to make a mark for yourself in the beauty community, in the online space. It is not easy. The hate sometimes really gets to the biggest of biggest people. I support him. I am a big fan. But having said that, this review was not influenced by how much I love him or how much I adore Jeffree or how much I look up to him. This was my most earnest and genuine review of his Velour liquid lipsticks mini bundle, and I bought it myself. This was not gifted to me, and I resonate with what he stands for, and I support his thinking, because a part of me understands where he comes from, and I have done it all on my own. Whatever this is today, whatever I am today, it's all on my own, and I get that part of him a lot, and that's why I respect him so much. And everyone's welcome to have opinions, but what matters is you respect every opinion, as long as you maintain that thin line of not crossing over into hate and name calling. Opinions are always welcome, whether they are good, bad, ugly, but do not get into the space of hate. So I'm all for positive vibes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this genuine review of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour mini liquid lipstick set. And I'm going to kickstart, like I said, the series of Jeffree Star Cosmetics reviews, because I have so many products. I have the blood sugar palette, I have so many of his metallic Velour liquid lippies, so I'm excited to bring for you all some more unboxings, tutorials, and looks. Until then, keep it sassy, guys, and before you go, make sure to subscribe if you like the video, share, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification on so you are part of our Sassy Shif squad.